A weekly report on crude oil shows more than 1 million barrels in unexpected inventory. The check on U.S. supplies was a surprise that sent crude prices lower today by about $1. Even so, don't expect that large supply in oil to translate to lower prices at the pump, of course. Local 12's Paula Toti joins us with a look at the rising pump prices and whether the upward trend will continue. Paula?
Rob, oil prices may be lower today, but in the past 4 weeks, the price has jumped about 20%. About 10 days ago, we did see a big drop in crude oil drilling with dozens of rigs shutting down. About 200 more rigs are expected to shut down by summer. So guess what? In about 6 months, when we get those weekly inventory reports, expect to see that supply level start to dwindle. So that expectation is just one reason pump prices are up, but not the only reason.
As we drove around the tri-state today, we saw very consistent gas prices of $2.39 a gallon in Miami Heights, Covington, Queensgate, and Kenwood. It's higher than the national average by a bit. Gas prices that averaged $2.04 nationally at the end of January are now about $2.19. Many refineries have been switching in recent weeks from winter to summer blends. That's taken some of the gas supply off the market. Those blends need to all hit by April 1st. The blends are also more expensive. AAA says it wouldn't be surprised if we see gas prices go up another 30 to 50 cents by April. Gas and oil prices have also been responding to comments made overseas and by speculators. OPEC is saying demand for oil this year is going to be higher than at first predicted. The Independent Energy Information Administration predicts the average pump price this year will be $2.33 a gallon and next year $2.73. It is an upward trend, but far from $3 and $4 a gallon. At the expected prices, it still puts the average American family on track to save $750 at the pump this year compared to last year.
Okay, so it's always interesting to look at these extremes. The Kuwaiti oil minister said that we're going to see crude probably hit $60 a barrel by the end of the year. But Citigroup, you and I were talking about, there's an analyst for Citigroup who's saying it could be as low as $20 a barrel in the next couple months. That's kind of a big swing, but does it matter?
Well, I don't think it does anymore. I really don't. I think they believe that we'll tolerate $2 plus, and that's what they're going to make the case.
I think it was clear when the pump prices first started to go up that that was simply a matter of they could. It really was. And I am worried about these rigs long term shutting down because we're getting into a situation where they'll say we have an undersupply and you know it's going to go straight up then.
What about the money that we're saving at the pump? Is it affecting the economy positively yet?
And I have seen completely different viewpoints on that as well.
I have too. So we really don't know. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. We can tend to have short memories. While we might not like the current increase in gas prices at this time of year, we're paying an average now of $3.36 a gallon last year at this time. So it's better.